Hi everyone, it's Marco Brown. Here are my 3 tips for people going through divorce. Number 1, be nice. Be nice to everyone in your divorce. Be nice to your soon-to-be ex, be nice to your attorney, be nice to the other attorney, be nice to the judge, be nice to the bailiff in the courtroom, be nice to all the witnesses if you have to go in for a hearing or for trial. Just be nice. The reason for this, you're going to get a lot further for a lot less money if you're nice. Your soon-to-be ex is going to like you more. It's going to be easier to negotiate with him or her. The judge is going to like you more, which means you're going to win more often in court. There is no downside to being nice. Now, being nice does not mean that you don't fight. You should fight. You should fight for your kids. You should fight to maximize the amount of money that you get in the divorce. But you can do all of these things while being pleasant and while being nice. And if you do that, you will get way more out of your divorce. Number 2, don't be a jerk. This is kind of a correlate to number 1. Divorce is very, very difficult on people emotionally. I've helped 3,000 plus people through this process. It's exceedingly hard. So sometimes you just can't muster up the ability to be super nice. If you can't, then at least don't be a raging butthole, okay? When you are a raging butthole to your soon-to-be ex or the other attorney or the judge or your attorney, things get real complicated for you and real hard for you real quick. You spend more money on these things because your relationship with your attorney is bad, or you've insulted your soon-to-be ex, so they aren't as willing to negotiate with you over the kids or over money. You're a raging butthole to the judge. Let me tell you, that is not going to go well at all. So if you can't be nice, if you just can't muster that, at least don't be a jerk. Okay, and then number 3, do what your attorney says. You're going to pay your attorney thousands and thousands of dollars to help you through the most difficult time in your life and doing one of the most important things that you will ever do. Divorce is incredibly important. It's going to lay out how you're going to treat your kids and what custody and parent time is going to be for the next 10, 15 years. It'll lay out all of your money, what you're going to get in the divorce, what you're going to get in alimony and child support. It's extraordinarily important. You're going to pay your attorney thousands and thousands of dollars to help get you through this process. Trust your attorney. Do what your attorney tells you to do. Seek counsel from your attorney and then follow it. If you don't trust your attorney enough to do what your attorney says, then go find another attorney. Literally, just say, look, I don't trust you, and I'm going to go find somebody else. That's totally fine. Your attorney's going to be okay. Your attorney wants you to be taken care of. So trust whichever attorney you are going to hire and stick with. Now, if you don't have an attorney, then you don't really have this problem. But let me tell you, if you don't have an attorney, you're going to get screwed. If the other side has an attorney and you don't, you may think you're real bright, but that's not a bright thing to do. You're just going to get screwed out of time with your kids and you're going to get screwed out of cash. So go hire an attorney and then follow what that attorney says. Okay, thanks everyone.